Hi everyone, this is Cyrus for iPhoneS.com and iPhoneAppsFinder.com. Today I'm showing you AceReader. It's an application designed for those of you who want to become a faster reader. AceReader has been available for other platforms in the past. Now you can use it on your iOS device. Very simple program, 13 levels. Now the difference between this app and many others that we've tested is there are some that allow you to have fancy user interfaces. They allow you to upload your own book or go to your favorite web page, and from there choose the reading speed that you want, and then gradually increase it and train yourself that way. This actually focuses on training you the right way. It has a program that you need to pass as far as the tests go. So if you're reading something and not understanding it right, then it's gonna take you a while to finish this program. Now you see the training mode, the reading mode. The training mode is where you can see the details for each course, as you can see. It's gonna take you a while to finish it, as I mentioned. You want to go to your test results. This is where you can see, for instance, if you're not meeting the 75% comprehension score, then that's going to be an issue, and this application is going to tell you. I'm going to show you right now. You can see the speed at the bottom. So if I finish right now, it's going to be about 800. Now it's 600. The speed for word per minute if I finish right now. And once you finish, you're going to be tested on what you've read. And if you're not correct, it says you're not meeting the standard that is required to pass this level, or you need to work harder. Pretty much, that's what it means. You do have the option to change font, size, and things like that. And you can also change course. As you can see, there are 13 levels. I would start with the first one if you're just getting started. If you're experienced and finish other levels, obviously you want to go with what you're comfortable with. And just like the other one, this also has all the training material that you need to go through and the drills. The reading mode is where you can load your own text, for instance, or get a different look or train your eyes. So you have multiple display modes to train your eyes depending how the text is displayed. Speed reading is not just about being able to move your eyes faster. It's about, first of all, getting rid of your bad habits, understanding how to read the right way without losing focus, and you can make small adjustments and you'd be surprised how fast you can get. So let's go with that. If you go with something like that, everything is going to show up right there. If you go with the eye trainer, it's going to move around. If you play around with it long enough, you're going to learn a lot and your speed is going to increase. Sometimes you're going to end up with a text that's not formatted. You have to practice that as well. You can also do the center text. You can change the speed settings right there. You can change burst options. You can change font and colors. So to pick the right environment for what you're reading, it really depends on what you're comfortable with, and it's really up to you. The speed time, if you change it, it says that the completion time, the estimate for that. You can also do the upload and download files if you want to read your own material. So it's important there. If you don't want to go with what the application has to offer and just want to go with something that you want to actually finish. And this is very similar to other applications. Some of them are easier actually to use in that regard. For instance, the Read Quick application, you can just go to a web page and it automatically turns it to a formatted page that you can do for a speed reading. But you get training here that a lot of other applications don't offer. And that's about it. I think I've covered most of the features that this application has. You can play around with all these settings at the top and the bottom. The point is you get two modes, training mode and reading mode. Training mode, 13 levels, a lot of drills, a lot of tips, and you have to actually read and understand, or you can't pass the test. And you can also, once you're done, and let's go back to the quiz right there, you can set your options depending on what you want your speed reading training tests to be and what's acceptable as far as the scores that you're going for. So you want to pay attention to these and set it up the right way. You're not going to become a speed reader overnight. That goes without saying. At the same time, if you get enough training, you're going to get there. I hope you enjoyed this short review. For more information, more tips, please go to iPhones.com and iPhoneAppsFinder.com. Thanks very much for watching, guys.